The DreamLift was where the fat transfer to the face is combined with a neck tightening procedure such as with laser or radio frequency, and sometimes even neck liposuction or a platysmoplasty to sew the muscles together if it's bad enough. But the fat in the face basically lifts the face and restores the youthful contours, buries the bags under the eyes, and makes the jawline a little stronger and fills in the lips. Then the neck tightening makes the neck line better and gets rid of things such as the double chin. If there's enough fat, liposuction is also done at the same time. And if the muscles are banding together and you see two little bands of muscle on the neck, they're often sewn together, done from a small incision under the neck. The rest of the fat transfer is done through such tiny little holes that heal up overnight that the fat is put into the face. This avoids the need for the facelift on most patients, so there's no scars around the ears. And the fat can also make your chin bigger and stronger. It can rejuvenate your appearance. It often looks even better a year afterwards than it does when it's first put in. And by this combination, it looks a lot like a facelift because the face is lifted with the fat, while the neck is lifted by actually tightening of the skin and sometimes sewing together of the muscle bandings in the neck. So therefore you can improve your appearance in general, looking 8 to 10 years younger. And this result will last because the fat doesn't die, it's living tissue. You still age around it, but here you see 5 years later, she still has the fat that was placed into the cheeks. So you can get a lot of the result of the facelift and even more than a facelift in some areas, such as the lower lid hollows being buried. Those don't happen with a facelift. And certainly adding volume to the lips wouldn't normally happen with a facelift either, or the filling in of the hollows around the eyes. That would only happen with fat, as you're seeing here. And so you can get sometimes results in certain areas that are better than a facelift, but the benefit here is there actually no facelift surgery being involved. It can be done though after the patient's had a facelift to lift it once again, such as you see here. 10 years prior to that she had a facelift.